Today we're going to be talking about transactional and consultative flood insurance agencies, understanding the difference and picking the one that is right for you. Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. If you've got questions about flood insurance, flood education, flood zone changes, elevation certificates, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. You can also check out our daily flood education videos on our YouTube channel. Remember, we have an educational background on flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this right here, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term to help you minimize flood losses and flood premiums. So today we're talking about transactional and consultative flood insurance agencies. What's the difference? This could be right here. You see, transactional flood insurance agencies are agencies that do a lot of volume. They try to make things really easy and quick for you. This might mean the cheapest flood insurance rate for you. Now, this might mean you getting something done within 30, 45 minutes, maybe even quicker than that. Getting over to your mortgage company so you can get closed on your loan. Great. Now, this is what they do every day. Now let's talk a little bit about maybe what consultative flood insurance agencies are. Consultative, they take a little bit more time. They help you understand things like understanding the different coverages, giving you examples of the different coverages, how claims will impact you, how you could possibly mitigate your property to lower your flood insurance claims, what your flood insurance options are, what's the difference between the National Flood Insurance Program and private flood insurance. So these are just some things that consultative insurance agencies do. Now, which one's right for you? Well, you see this house right here behind me? This could be a house that did not have enough coverage to be finished because it didn't have the right flood insurance coverage. This could be the difference between a transactional and consultative. You see, consultative flood insurance agencies generally may not have the cheapest rate, but they usually have the best coverage, which means this house would not have to worry about not being completed. We just spoke to someone who's purchasing $1 million home. A transactional flood insurance agency might just put the $250,000 in coverage on there, while a consultative insurance agency might put the $1 million in there to make sure the house is properly replaced. So you might ask, what is the Flood Insurance Guru? Well, we pride ourselves here at the Flood Insurance Guru on being a consultative flood insurance agency. Not only do we go through the coverages, help you understand the difference between National Flood Insurance Program and private, what is the stability of long-term rates? What are the impacts that flood claims are going to have on you? But one thing we really focus on here is using mitigation to help you reduce your risk of flooding and your risk of increased premiums in the future. So that's the difference between transactional and consultative flood insurance agencies. Hopefully this helps you pick whichever one's right for you. So if you've got questions about flood insurance or picking the right flood insurance agent, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this right here, your flood insurance, and making sure that your house gets fully replaced. Thank you.